Hey guys and gals, this is your boy JR, aka Lone Wolf Bushcraft, and let me show you guys my view. I'm right chilling out under my cabana here in the Grand Palladium Vallarta Resort and Spa. Let me show you my view here. So a beautiful morning here, just beautiful. Once the surf shack opens there, my daughter can use a longboard. She can use it for about 2 hours. She usually only spends an hour out there. Once that opens up, she's gonna grab a longboard and she's gonna hit these awesome waves.
You're gonna record.
So yeah, I'm gonna try and capture some footage of her surfing. But yeah, I hope you guys and gals are all doing well out there. I'm enjoying me some cappuccino. So far my vacation's been going pretty cool. We mainly focus this vacation around my daughter because she's an avid surfer. And this is our first time here at the Grand Palladium Vallarta Resort and Spa. First time here in Vallarta here. I mean, I've been in Puerto Vallarta before, but this is my first time staying at the Grand Palladium Vallarta. And I'm in Vallarta, Mexico. I'm in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. And just a really awesome view from my cabana. And then my daughter's getting pretty psyched because she'll grab her longboard there. So, what a cool way to enjoy a cappuccino as I'm watching the ocean waves crash in. So yeah, the service has been awesome here. And the waves have been really cool for surfing, so that's cool. I love hanging out with my daughter and I love watching her go surfing. So it's been a really cool vacation. And a beautiful spot for people that love to go surfing. Absolutely beautiful. Anyways, I hope you guys and gals are all doing well out there. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers! Take care, everyone. Peace. Later, Gators.